Okay, first thing first, make sure that you run the import numpy as in P cell, okay? Otherwise you're going to get errors. Okay, so that library is now available. Now at the end of class on Tuesday, I got mixed up a little bit, and this one, for some reason, it says question number 11 there. That's the reason why I was wondering why the problem was different from what I had in my notes. Actually, this is supposed to be 8. 11 is there down below. So that should be 8, in which case, of course, the problem is different. We do have, I do have this particular your turn problem later on. What number 8 is supposed to be is this. That's what I intended. But so since we're going to do problem number 11 again a little bit later, let me put the problem number 8 back in here. So problem number 8 is create a floating point numpy array with 5, 8, and 9 as its value. So it's pretty straightforward. Nothing nothing complicated. So what this is then np dot array, right? And then you give the list of what you want here, which is 5, 8, 9. So you give that as a list or as a tuple, it doesn't matter. 5, 8, 9. Now you want this as a floating point, okay? Because right now the default is integer, so it's going to bring in as integer, right? So for it to be floating point, then we have to specify. So if this is optional data type, but if you don't specify data type, then NumPy will automatically determine the best possible data type, which in this particular case will be integer, because they are all integer, 5, 8, and 9, they are all integers, so it's going to bring in the array as an integer data type. So, but if you want it to be floating point, then you can specify in this way, or once you've created a ND array, then you can change the data type using the asType method. Okay, so this is what the question number 8 is supposed to have been, and we will of course look at question number 11 again. Okay.